so much together in life, and I cannot imagine being anywhere but here in the special occasion. Bride and groom, I wish you the best life to offer, and I know you two will continue to love and support each other. May your heart be light and happy. May your smile big and wide. And may your pockets always have a coin or two inside. May there always be work for your hands to do. May your purse always hold a coin or two. May the sun always shine warm on your window pane. May a rainbow be certain to follow each rain. May the hand of a friend always be near you. And may God fill your heart with gladness to cheer. Join me in raising your glasses in a toast to bride and groom.
So everyone,
Be always happy.
itaas ang inyong mga baso palimog. Itaas ang inyong mga